Hi, this is Queen from Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a timeline action to send reminder emails using MailJet. So from the dashboard, you just have to open your timeline, and by default, you'll be redirected to the page where you can create timeline actions. So you just have to click on Create Action from the upper right-hand side. In this case, I already prepared it for you, so let me open that one up. So I set it to trigger 5 minutes before the webinar starts. So as you can see here, it's set on the event date, before, and then 5 minutes. And I targeted registrants. And from the what drop down, I just selected MailJet here. And from there, just click on Edit to open up the email editor for MailJet. As what you can see here, you just have to enter the email address of the sender's name, the subject for your reminder email, and the body of that email message. You'll notice here that I have personalization values. So this one will pull the first name of the registrant, and this one will pull the unique join URL for each registrant. So to get these personalization values, you just have to click on this icon. This is the personalization icon. And for the first name, it's under subscriber. It's this one. For the join URL, it's this one. So once you select those, these personalization values will be included in the email. Aside from the personalization values, you can also include emojis. So to include emojis on your email, you just have to click on the emoji or the smiley icon from here. And I just included a simple emoji, but you can, of course, select any emojis you want. Once you're satisfied, you just have to click on Save Email. Once that is saved, don't forget to click on Create on the lower right hand side of the edit action or the create action page. In this case, it's showing update action because, as I mentioned earlier, I prepared this in advance. If you're creating the action for the first time, this button here will show create. So once you click on create, that email is ready to be sent 5 minutes before your webinar starts. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.